Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, had a client stop by with a brand new CVO Street Glide. He blew the factory rear speaker for the second time. Bike only has 5,000 miles on it. So the dealer's gonna replace again under warranty, but he knew it was just gonna keep happening. So he came to us for a real audio upgrade. So we did our NVS Audio plug and play package. So we did Sound Digital evox 2 800.4, NVS Audio T harness, ARC Audio PSM Pro DSP. In the front we went with the Cicada Cmx carbon fiber mid-range / mid-bass driver, NVS Audio high-res tweeter. We were able to mount it to where it still played through the factory tweeter, but you couldn't tell it was there. It came out really nice. In the back, we wanted more mid-bass, so we went with the 2 ohm Cicada Cmx carbon fiber 6x9. So this 6x9 mounts from the bottom, so we had to clear the webbing. Then bolt the 6x9 in place. The bike sounds fantastic. So we ran the 2 ohm in the rear to get more mid-bass, and we ran the 4 ohm in the front. Bike sounds nice and balanced. Bike sounds really, really good, and you won't have issues blowing speakers anymore. So check out the build.
Text from So we went and did the stage 3 on his molten engine and did some stuff to the bike and whatever, and he's like, don't touch
without consequences. When I play with death, I display talent. Out of cash, buying drugs, can I pay pallet? Don't talk about it. Shit is this.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night. Back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention. So it might hurt to hit it. got this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this.
Social like games, the sport plays more like tennis, don't need a team. It's just me and you and it's everything that it's saying, for real. Just know I'm serious, I ain't need to play a mind game. We could go round, so I wanna eat it like an entree. Favorite position, I be hitting that all kind of ways. We throw it back, I spin